lot longer than we thought, right? Good morning, day 21.
No. Yep.
Lot of screwing. Not the kind of screwing I care for.
No comment.
So what we're doing is we're covering, or what I'm doing is covering everything up. She's handing the screws. So we're covering everything up, and we're starting with the 48. Measuring to make sure because I'm off over there. We get to the handle, I can cut it pretty good. This is a 23 foot or something built. 23.1, 23.2. I don't know why I can't remember the exact length. Probably because I have to remember everything else. We're just gonna leave a hole to get in through on that one with that door.
That'll be
Then
the
I'll
piece
come
that you
in.
gotta cut, because you can do 3 full sheets, and it'll just leave that door.
Come in, and I'll take my drill bit, and I'll drill in the corners of the opening as far as just the door, because we're gonna leave just the door opening here for now, because what we're gonna do is just do that, and then we'll end up putting a door in, but I'm probably not gonna do that for another couple days. So we're gonna try to get this finished up to that door, and then pretty much we have the outside except for the tops, because these are 10-foot walls. We've done a little bit over there, 3 sheets there. But like we said, we'd cut these trusses with a notch. Some of them, like that one right there, that one there.
Yeah, we have a few that won't.
Yeah, and that's gonna take a Sawzall. And that's gonna be fun. Or we have to cut the OSB, which I really don't want to do. So I'll probably try to take a Sawzall. That's what we're up to. We're trying to get this done before crappy weather gets here. We gotta start on the roof, and I already pre-cut a sheet for the roof. And then we're gonna go vertically, not horizontally. We have 9 something. Was it 9.9 or 9.5 on the short side of a run?
Yeah,
on the
9.9.
rafters. So we're gonna go and just work our way from that side this way, and then I'll put the small sheets at the top. This side is gonna be interesting because over there I'm gonna hang a soffit edge on it, so that way I get that 1.5 overhang I have to have for the OSB, and then I'm gonna put a couple pieces up like this vertically to hold the OSB and to hold me, and then slowly work my way across. I think this side will go fast. I really do. Once I get those up, it's this side here that I don't know how to attach easily a piece to without using the big ladder, I guess. Which if I do this, I probably could just do that. Our ridge beam hybrid building here. The reason why it's ridge beam hybrid is because of what?
Has a ridge beam and it has rafters. No.
Yes, pretty much the rafters are tied to the plate in the middle, but it's double plated, and then it's setting The reason why it's called a ridge beam is because it's setting on the ends. It has a beam. It has two beams that hold the main beam, so it supports half the load, and the other part supports the load instead of all the load. It's differently built, and we found out imperfections here and there. But overall, for rough cut lumber and for what I'm dealing with, it didn't turn out bad at all. As far as the squareness goes, if you were to when you start putting these walls together and you got different thicknesses of lumber and you're trying to keep it all square, and you're going from this wall to this wall, and then you get up at the top and it's thicker or whatever, with the gables and different things like that, it causes a little bit of movement there. I think I have like a 1/4 inch. But overall, I bet it's square, pretty much. Like if I was to take a tape and go across, but the building's pretty good. I know it is on the lower, and I know it was on the top seal plate.
Just to give it a little more extra strength. I still don't think it's going anywhere, but rain coming.
It's so tall. Huh?
We got rain coming Wednesday, and we want to try to get this sheathed up. Today's Monday. I've been here officially 3 weeks today. It's fishing time. Yeah, we're gonna put a loft on this side over here above this bathroom door when the bathroom finally shows up. But the kitchen's over there.
Right over that, next to that window there.
Yeah. I mean, if we're gonna do it, we want you.
Pots and pans and stuff.
I do.
So
Maybe do 8.5.
We don't need a lot of space up there.
It's mainly for storage and somebody to sleep if they come.
That'll tie in a little bit of the corners. When you got you got 2x4 walls at 10 foot with 2x6 ceiling, which I mean, this is pretty stable because I got to put all the straps on. I've got them all towed in with screws.
If we got one, it has to be on the trailer, or it's over at Grandma's.
I got one more on the trailer. I'll set it
on the other side of this board?
like right in the middle over here until I get roofed. I'm about worn out today, but I mean, we don't have to get the whole thing. I just want to get Love ya. Exhausting. The roof's gonna take me a while. I've raced the sides, so I'll show you what's going on. We got some Tyvek, as we explained earlier. Cover that up. Gonna finish this. The roof, hopefully I'll work on it tomorrow. I'm gonna do it from the inside on the scaffolding for a while until I can, because I'm a wuss. And I've gotta, I'll put some more staples. I got this one stapled. We got this done. This is cut out, folded in for the 32-inch door. It's never ending. We got everything strapped on one side. Now I need to strap the other sides. Even though I towed it in, I'm strapping it all. I put these braces in for now. I just feel more comfortable. Kind of gives it rigidity on the sidewalls. I've got one up here going across. This is the pole that's holding that. I had to cut that off earlier so I could run the OSB over it because it was sticking up. But that I don't want to let loose until I get my cross beam going across, and then put my fork up, or my tee up on my big beam going across, and then that way it kind of holds it. Now I'm gonna run like a 4x6, I think. I'm not taking any scab pieces loose in here. I did put up that A piece there, or that tie there. It's a smaller tie because we got these 2x10x12s, and my loft is gonna start right up here where this mark's at. It's about 7'6", so I won't hit it. It's gonna start up there. It's gonna run across. And that will be enough room for a small twin bed, some storage, things like that. On this side, we're leaving everything not cut out. All I cut out was the door. We're closing up everything else. I got the window and all that, but I'm not gonna worry about it right now. That's basically it. Just strap her down, make her solid, and it's gonna take me a while. I've got about another week's worth of time here, and we got some rain coming in again, obviously. So it'll be interesting. This one that I want to cross, I don't really need those, I don't think, but I'm putting them in anyway. It's just beefier. But that one's 3-footer. I'm putting 4-footers. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4 trusses. I'm gonna go about another 4 or 5 trusses. And then with the straps, with those, and I mean just spaced out. And then having the fact that I have a ridge beam, you know, and it's not just full load on, you know, the doubled 2x8s. I think that that will work. I don't think I have any issues there. That's where we're at. And I can tell you something, man. This has worn on me the last week. Really got to me. I'm burnt. Early March. But I'm burnt, tired. I eat a lot. I try to sleep, but then I wake up because I'm like, oh, I need to do this. Oh, I need to do that. And of course, it just keeps adding up. I can't keep up. So many projects, so many things I want to do here, and I knew this one was going to drive me back crap crazy, and it pretty much has. I've got to add another ridge gable wall piece there, like I did over here. Kind of see it up there. Got to put that in. I forgot to do it. Up through here, and then try to roof everything I can up so far, and then I'll have to get on the ladder and make my way up there eventually. But I got to finish out everything. It's kind of hard because I got get this scaffolding, which I have wheels, thank God. But I gotta finagle the scaffolding. I just have enough room to get around this pole, which is great. But now I gotta take that cross piece out, and of course, what did I do? I screwed it in and left it up there, so I gotta cut it out. If it ain't one thing, it's another. But I'm exhausted. I am exhausted. Now I don't want to just quit, like not finish roughing this in. Be in gear to get this dang thing, majority of it at least, roughed in before the 13th. And right now I think it's the 4th or 5th. I think it's, and of course I'm having to hop in. I will be adding, like I say, all the time, extra footings. I got the edges on over here. It's tight, looks good. Got one scab piece there. I really don't have to have it. Got about 30 sheets to be left. Plenty. This is how I've been doing it. Temporary soft edge, 2x4. Put those up, and it kind of holds it. And then I can get on the other side with scaffolding and screw it down, and at least get the majority of screws on it. And then on the other side, I can get up over there, that top last, come up this way and hit it. Got the door, insulated steel door. Yeah, it looks a lot different. Everybody thinks it's all cool and all that, which is great. Man, dude, it's physically demanding. Better be sucking in your calories. I'm 45 freaking years old and I'm 6'9". And I've got a girlfriend who got in a car accident during this whole thing, my fiance, and the Jeep got totaled. And then we couldn't get a rental car. We have the other car, thank God, here. We've gone through storms, different things like that. She had to, I'm glad she's okay. It's just, it changed everything. I mean, not only did a house fire change things, but then her wreck, her fractured pelvis, and you know, her inability to help is just crazy. I mean, and she helped me out a lot. She does. She helps me out. And she can't. So it changed the whole ballgame there. We'll see how it goes. Another 5-6 days. Yeah, this is where I'm at. Some people might say it's going pretty quick. Not quick enough as far as the roof. And of course I wake up many times during the night, think of what I should have done, what I could have done better, and there's a few things we'll go over this, you know, down the road here to talk. Sheets up. I got 2 sheets on. And I'm trying to do this from the inside out, so I got the smaller sheet on underneath. We'll go just like that. And then I'll have smaller sheets going up on that side. Since this cabin's like 23 something. Let's see what I've done there. Got the push that up, but I gotta work my way. I can take this brace off pretty soon, at least remove it. Yeah, you can kind of see what the view is from up here. It's nothing but woods. Hopefully it stays that way. It's gonna be a small window right here, like a vent. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm gonna get busy. Try to get some crap done. No. just awkward. Especially when you're trying to grab it to touch it up in here.
Okay, so we're on day 24. We are working on the roof and almost done. Or him. He's been working his booty off. I can't do much to help him. He's up there conquering his heights.
crap out of everything.